Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic: how to register with the FDA as an importer in 2025. If you're involved in importing food, drugs, or medical devices into the United States, understanding this process is essential to avoid delays and ensure compliance. The FDA, or Food and Drug Administration, regulates these imports to protect public health, and registering as an importer helps streamline your operations. First things first, why should you register? In 2025, with updated regulations focusing on digital tracking and enhanced safety protocols, proper registration will make your imports smoother and help you stay ahead of potential audits. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Check your eligibility. You need to be a US-based entity or have a US agent. Gather your business details, like your DUNS number, which is a unique identifier for your company. Step 2. Head to the FDA's official website. Look for the FDA Industry Systems portal, where you'll create an account. This is where the 2025 updates come in. Expect a more user-friendly interface with improved online forms for faster submissions. Step 3. Prepare your documentation. You'll need to provide information on your products, including ingredients, manufacturing processes, and any certifications. Don't forget to include proof of your import history if applicable. Step 4. Submit your application and pay any fees. The FDA might require a one-time registration fee, so budget for that. Once submitted, expect a review period of about 30 to 60 days, depending on the complexity. A quick tip for 2025: stay updated on new FDA guidelines, as they might introduce eye-based verification or stricter environmental checks. Always double-check for changes on the FDA's site. And there you have it. Registering with the FDA as an importer doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these steps, you'll be set for success. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.